The Halo DNAmaster is the latest product in the Dynamica range of life science equipment. It's a spectrophotometer, but it's not only used for microanalysis of DNA and RNA concentration, it's also a conventional spectrophotometer. So you can use it for applications such as protein determination, cell density, for example. So in fact, it's quite a versatile spectrophotometric unit. She has a very intuitive and user-friendly application touchscreen. It's actually very easy to use, it's pre-installed and offers a lot of software analysis of general life science applications such as RNA, DNA and protein concentration determination. The other feature of it is because you can use it as a standard spectrophotometer, but it also comes with an ultra micro cell for nano volume sample analysis. There are temperature control options and it also has a direct printout function. It's also provided with an SD card for storage of your data, which can easily be analysed in your own computer with the software provided. Another key feature of the Dynamica Halo DNAmaster is its integrated, easy-to-use, intuitive software programming. So you don't need to use an external computer to manage this unit. It's a compact unit for standard spectrophotometric analysis, but also for micro-analysis.